This lesson explores the concept of CSS, covering topics such as the definition of CSS, the structure of CSS rules, and various CSS value types. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is the language for describing styles for HTML elements within a web page. A CSS file is a set of CSS rules. For example, this CSS rule means all paragraphs have a blue background color and white symbols color. Each rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector chooses the HTML element for styling. The declaration block, surrounded by curly braces, contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value separated by a colon. The most prevalent value types include textual, numeric, and color values. Textual values encompass CSS keywords, strings, and URLs. CSS keywords don't need quotes. Strings usually need quotes. URL is used to specify the path to a file. Numeric values encompass integers, numbers, dimensions, and percentages. Integer values consist of one or more decimal digits 0 through 9. Number values cover real numbers. Dimension values denote a number with a unit attached to it. CSS uses dimensions to specify distances, durations, angles, and others. Percentage values are always relative to another quantity and indicates a value that is some fraction of another reference value. There are different ways to set color values. It can be a color name, HEX format, RGB format, or other format. Next, complete sentences and solve workbook exercises to improve your knowledge and skills.